guys, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. Yes, you're welcome to my channel. This is your girl Ify Success. Yes, I'm here again. Yes, sir. So today I'm doing my hair. I have my friend here. She's doing my hair. So she's a great hairdresser. So learn how to do your own hair. Learn how to make braids. All right. So say hello to my viewers.
Hello.
So learn, watch her do it, and as she do it, you learn as well. Yeah. She's upcoming YouTuber. She's gonna start very soon. So when she starts, I'm gonna let you guys know so that you subscribe to her channel, okay? Yeah. So learn. See the hair? It's nice. I like it. Guys, this is my second hair that I'm doing since I did my big chop. This is my second braid because I've had one braid and I did it by myself. But this time I just like, you know what? I'm gonna look for someone else to do it for me. And here is my pretty friend. She's doing it for me. And she knows how to do it very well. And yeah, so, and again, my birthday is coming up. So watch it. You watch her, how she does it. So you're gonna be telling them, oh, this is nice. I feel like it's already finished. I don't know how, when we will finish this hair. Guys, watch this. This is nice. This is so beautiful. I love this color. You like this color, isn't it?
Very nice.
Maybe next one I will do red. But this color is really nice. This is my favorite color of all ages. My favorite color. When I saw the color in the shop, I was like, oh my god, because it's been a while they brought this color.
Wow.
Yeah. So when I went to the shop and saw it, and you know, I was very happy. You know. So guys, seeing how she's doing it. So keep watching to learn. So I'm bringing this closer so that you can see it closely. Yep. So this hair, at least this hair will last me for, I know by the time I will lose it, my hair will grow longer. Is it? Yeah. So before I put in leave-in conditioner before I started doing it. So at the end of the braid, I'll show you guys the leave-in conditioner I used. Keep watching. Don't touch the dye. Keep watching. Let me shine small now, guys. Let me shine small. I've missed my braid. I'm so happy. I did pick and drop for myself. I did that one by myself, but this time this is the second one. So let me treat myself, Joe. Sometimes you just need another person to do something for you, you know. Because you know when I always do my hair by myself, like if I have the time. Sometimes it takes me 2 days. You know, because of children. Maybe in the middle of doing it, one baby will come and say, oh, have you Mom, I'm hungry, and you leave the hair you're doing,
Yeah.
and you gotta attend to them.
Oh.
You know, so today I don't want interruption. So see how she's putting the hair. She's catching it. I don't know, guys. See how she's catching it. Yeah, guys, can you see? Yeah. Yeah, she's very good with what she does. Yeah. So I'll carry you along. I'll come back because if I leave it ongoing like this, the video is gonna be too long, which I don't want. So I'll get back to you. We are still on it. It's going gradually, guys. Can you see this hair is really beautiful? Thank you so much, my friend. God bless you for making me beautiful, for beautifying me. God will also beautify you. Yes, guys, can you see? We're still on the journey. Don't be smart, you know. Birthday is loading. See, Echo. See, Echo. Can you guys recognize me? It's still going up. Still going up. Still going up. So just watch. Yep. So, there's no okay. So, guys, the hair is finished. We're doing the hot water. We are doing the hot water, guys. The hair is finished.